We're the team at SafeStreets. We are a national home security and integration provider for home builders. What we bring to the table is what we call white glove service, taking smart home devices that most home buyers are using today and that most home builders are supplying, and really taking that ownership of those devices and integrating those services, those programs, and managing it from there, making it really easy for the builder to simply plug and play, move on. We take on the challenge from there. In addition to that, we also offer other services, expanding automation, home security, monitoring services, and of course, surveillance. Those are the pieces that we dial in on, and we're a national provider. So something that stands out over what maybe some of our competitors are doing in the space is we are driven to deliver a 5-star experience. We're very proud of the reputation we've built. We've built up a reputation of over 150,000 reviews in less than 3-year span, and we're claiming 4.9 out of 5-star reviews on both Trustpilot and Google, making sure that every home builder knows the product and services we deliver are important to us, but the most important thing is the relationship and maintaining that relationship and that good name of the home builder, and of course, and SafeStreets. So that's really what we do in a nutshell.